Hello, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Thanks for your appreciations for our previous videos. In today's video, we will be discussing the multiple choice questions on the one of the very important chapter of class 10, that is electricity. So let's start. The very first question is, as the flowing water constitutes water current in reverse, the flowing electric charge through a conductor constitute an. He is comparing the water current with electric charge movement, that is option A electric current, air current, water current, none of the above. Yes, it is electric current. The flowing of electric charge through a conductor constitute electric current. Next question is, the flow of charges in an electric circuit is provided by voltmeter, cells, bulb, ammeter. Yes, the flow of charges in an electric circuit is provided by cells. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, when switch is on, circuit closes, circuit opens, circuit destroys, none of the above. Yes, when switch is on, the circuit closes, thereby the electric current flows in the circuit. Therefore, when switch is on, circuit closes. Option A is the right answer. Switch makes a conducting link between cell and bulb. Whether it is true statement or false statement. Yes, exactly, the switch makes a conducting link between the cell and bulb. Therefore, it is a true statement. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit, electricity, heating effect, electric potential. Yes, it is electric circuit. A closed and continuous path of an electric current is called as electric circuit. The rate of flow of electric charge is called as electric current, potential difference, resistance, none of the above. The rate of flow of electric charge is called as electric current. Option A is the right answer. Protons constitute the flow of charges. True or false? Whether it is true or false statement he is asking. It is exactly the false statement because electrons constitute the flow of charges. Therefore, option B is the right answer. This is a false statement. The direction of flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current. Whether it is true statement or false statement. S. The direction of flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current, that is opposite to the direction of electrons. Therefore, it is a true statement. This is a true statement. The formula of electric current is I is equal to Q by T, I is equal to W by T. Yes, it is I is equal to Q by T, charge divided by time. Option A is the right answer. See, I is equal to V by T option also is there. I is equal to VR. Therefore, option A is the right answer. I is equal to Q divided by T is the right answer. The SI unit of electric charge is ampere, coulomb, volt, ohm. Yes, the SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. Option B is the right answer. 1 coulomb of charge consists of how many electrons? He is asking how many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of charge. 6 into 10 raised to 18, 16 into 10 raised to minus 18, 1.6 into 10 raised to 18, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. As 1 coulomb of charge is made up of 6 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. That is option A is the right answer. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, coulomb, volt, ohm. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. Option A is the right answer. Next question is, 1 ampere is constituted by the resistance is 1 and the resistance is 1, or 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to other, or flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second, or none of the above. Yes, it is flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. I is equal to Q by T. That is current is equal to charge divided by T. When the 1 coulomb of charge is passed for 1 second, we call it as 1 ampere of current. Therefore, option C is the right answer. 1 milliampere means how many amperes? 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 6, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 6. As we know, milli means 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. 1 microampere means how many amperes? 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 6, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 6. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, ammeter is used to measure current, voltage, resistance, heat. Yes, ammeter is used to measure the current. Option A is the right answer. Voltmeter is used to measure current, potential difference, resistance, heat. Yes, voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference. Option B is the right answer. Ammeter is always connected in series, parallel, either A or B, none of the above. Ammeter is always connected in series in an electric circuit. Option A is the right answer. Voltmeter is always connected in series, parallel, either A or B, none of the above. C. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Ammeter is connected in series, but voltmeter is connected in parallel in electric circuit. Electric current flows in the circuit from the positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell. Whether it is a true statement or false statement? Yes, exactly. It is a true statement. Electric current always flows from the positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell. What is the value of current? As we know, I is equal to Q by T. He had given the value of Q and time, that is T has given. I is equal to Q by T, that is 100 by 20. 100 by 20 means that is 5 ampere is the answer. Therefore, option C is the right answer. What is the value of charge Q? That is, if I is equal to 5 ampere and T is equal to 25 seconds. As we know, I is equal to Q by T, we have to find the value of Q. Therefore, Q is equal to I into T, that is 5 into 25, that is 125 Coulomb is the charge. Therefore, option D is the right answer. What is the time taken for 600 Coulomb of charge to pass 0.5 ampere current? As we know, I is equal to Q by T, I is equal to Q by T, then T is equal to Q by I, that is 600 divided by 0.5 means 1200 seconds. 1200 seconds, when we convert it into minutes, answer will be 20 minutes. Therefore, option A is the right answer. For flow of charges, gravity has a very important role. Whether it is true statement or false statement? Obviously, it is a wrong statement. There is no role of gravity in charges flow. Therefore, it is a false statement. Therefore, it is a false statement. Devices used to maintain a potential difference in an electric circuit is voltmeter, cell, bulb, ammeter. As it is cell which is used to maintain the potential difference in a circuit. Option B is the right answer. Difference of electric pressure is called as pressure difference, potential difference, magnitude difference or magnetic difference, none of the above. Yes, it is potential difference. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Work done to move a unit charge from one point to other is called as pressure difference, potential difference, magnitude difference, none of the above. Yes, it is potential difference, that is work done to move a unit charge from one point to the other is called as potential difference. Find the correct formula. V is equal to W by Q, V is equal to Q by T, V is equal to W by T, none of the above. Yes, it is V is equal to W by Q. Work done to move a charge from one point to other is called as potential difference, which is defined by the symbol V, which is equal to W by Q, where W is work and Q is charge. Option E is the right answer. 1 volt is constituted by the resistance is 1 when the resistance is 1, or 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to other. Just now only we had saw the definition of formula of volt potential difference. V is equal to W by Q. Just apply that formula. Therefore, option B is the right answer. That is 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the other. Option B is the right answer. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? That is 12 joule, 4 joule, 3 joule, 6 joule. See, what is the formula for voltage? V is equal to W by Q. He is asking how much energy. W is equal to 6 into 1 means 6 joule is the answer. Therefore option D is the right answer. The following symbol shows plug key open, plug key closed, an electric cell, a battery. S, it is the symbol of plug key closed. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Heating effect of electric current is utilized in devices such as electric heater, electric iron. True, false. S, it is a true statement. The following symbol shows plug key closed, plug key open, variable resistance or rheostat, a battery. As it is option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Rheostat is used to measure the voltage, change the resistance, measure the current, measure the voltage. As it is used to change the resistance. Therefore option B is the right answer. V is equal to IR. What is R here? Resistance, current, voltage, none of the above. Yes, it is the resistance here. R means resistance, V means voltage, I means current. Therefore option A is the right answer. The SI unit of resistance is ampere, coulomb, volt, ohm. Yes, it is ohm. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. A component of a given size that offers a very low resistance is a poor conductor, good conductor, can't say, none of the above. Yes, it is obviously a good conductor. Whenever the resistance is low, it is a good conductor. Therefore option B is the right answer. V is directly proportional to I, means voltage is directly proportional to I. Current, that is potential difference, is directly proportional to current at constant temperature. It is Ohm's law, Newton's law, Coulomb's law, none of the above. Yes, it is Ohm's law. Option A is the right answer. Resistances in conductors is greater than poor conductors in greater than insulators, or insulators are greater than poor conductors or greater than conductors. Which of the above is true? Obviously we know the resistances offered by the insulators is very high compared to poor conductors, and resistance in conductors is very low compared to insulators and poor conductor. Therefore option B is the right answer. Let's see the option. Only A, only B, both A and B, none of the above. S, only B is the right answer. Only B is the right answer. Resistance of the conductor depends on its length. S, exactly, the resistance of a conductor depends on its length. Therefore it is a true statement. R is, and even more than that, resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. The next question is, resistance of the conductor depends on its area of cross section. True, false. Yes, it is also a true statement. Resistance of the conductor is inversely proportional to the area of cross section, that is R is inversely proportional to 1 by A. Just we saw that R is directly proportional to L, R is inversely proportional to A. Therefore when we combine those two, we get the resistance is directly proportional to length divided by area. When we remove that proportionality symbol, we get a constant called as resistivity, that is denoted by the symbol rho, that is R is equal to rho into L by A. Therefore for this particular question, it is a true statement. Resistance of the conductor depends on its nature of its material. Yes, it is a true statement. Yes, it is a true statement. Which of the followings are true? The resistivity of an alloy is generally higher than that of its constituent metals. Alloys do not oxidize readily at high temperature. Only A, only B, only both A and B, none of the above. Yes, the both statements are correct for this question. Next question is, the following symbol shows the plug key open, plug key closed, a wire joint, wires crossing without joining. Yes, it is a symbol for wires crossing without joining. Therefore option D is the right answer. What is rho in this equation? Rho means resistivity. Rho means resistivity. It is not density and it is not resistance, it is resistivity, which is having the SI unit of ohm meter. Option C is the right answer. The SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Just I told that the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Option D is the right answer. The metals and alloys have resistivity in the range of 10 raised to minus 8 to 10 raised to minus 6, means they are having very low resistivity. Therefore option D is the right answer. Insulators have resistivity in the range of 10 raised to 12 to 10 raised to 17. Option C is the right answer. The conductor which is used exclusively for filaments of electric bulbs is tungsten, mercury, magnesium, rubber. Yes, it is tungsten which is exclusively used for filaments of electric bulbs. How much current will an electric bulb draw from the 200 volt source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1200 ohm? Just apply the Ohm's law, that is V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. V is 200 divided by 1200. We get current, that is 200 divided by 1 by 6 means 0.167. Therefore option B is the right answer. Just apply the Ohm's law, we'll get the answer. How much current will an electric heater coil draw from 220 volt source if the resistance of the heater is 100 ohm? Just apply the Ohm's law again, that is 200 divided by 220 divided by 100 means 2.2 ampere. Therefore option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. The potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is 60 volt when it draws a current of 4 ampere from the source. What current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volt? Here he has not given the resistance value. First you find the resistance value from this first sentence. After that, using that resistance you can measure the current value. See the procedure. Here V is equal to IR. How much voltage has given? 60 voltage for 4 ampere current. What is the resistance you are getting? 15 ampere. When the voltage is increased to 120 volt, then current value he is asking. For 15 ohm resistor he is asking current. Therefore option answer is 8 ampere. Let's see the option. 6 ampere, 2 ampere, 8 ampere, 4 ampere. Yes, it is 8 ampere. Option C is the right answer. Current will flow more easily through a thick wire of the same material than the thin wire when connected to the same source. Yes, it is true statement. As we know, the resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Which material is the best conductor? See, in the examination he may give this table. From this table he asks for you that find the best conductor. Whenever the resistivity value is very low, then we call that material is the best conductor. See, in this table silver is having the lowest resistivity, therefore silver is the lowest best conductor. Silver is having the lowest resistivity, therefore it is the best conductor. Option B is the right answer. Similarly, in examination he will give again that table and ask you for which among iron and mercury is the best conductor. Which among iron and mercury is the best conductor? Yes, iron is the best conductor. How the resistances are connected here in this figure? See, here the resistances are connected to end to end, therefore they are connected in a series. Option B is the right answer. The total potential difference across a combination of resistors in series is equal to the sum of potential difference across the individual resistors. The total potential difference across a combination of resistance in series is equal to the sum of potential difference. As in series we are having constant current, but potential difference is equal to V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus so on. Therefore it is a true statement. How the resistances are connected here? See, the resistances are connected between two endpoints, that is X and Y, therefore they are connected in parallel. See the options. Parallel, series. Yes, it is in parallel. Option E is the right answer. Option E is the right answer. In series connection, current is independent of its position in the electric circuit. S, it is a true statement. Yes, it is obviously a true statement. In ammeter reading, we are always getting the same current in series connection. Next question, the current is same in the ammeter or each resistor. In series, the resistance of the combination RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus so on. See, S, it is S is equal to, it is just the arithmetic addition of each resistors, that is RS, the effective resistance of system in series, that is addition of each resistance R1 plus R2. Next question is, an electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected in series to a 6 volt battery. Calculate the total resistance. Just we saw that RS is equal to the summation of resistance, that is 20 plus 4, that is 24 ohm. Let's see the option. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Next question is an electric lamp. Same question. Calculate the current through the circuit he is asking. As we know, just find the value of RS, that is 24, and voltage value had given 6 volt. Just apply the Ohm's law. 6 volt battery for RS24, you are getting 6 by 24, that is 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25 ampere. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Same question, find the potential difference across the electric lamp. He is asking the V1 across this electric lamp. He is asking the potential difference. Just apply the formula VE is equal to, we know current value is 0.25, just we calculated earlier, and where he is asking across this electric lamp, this is RS, this is not RS, this is R, we have to take 20. 0.25 into 20 means, that is into 20 means 5. Therefore option, let's see the option, it is 5 volt, it is 5 volt. Therefore option C is the right answer. An electric lamp, the same question, the potential difference across the conductor he is asking, across the conductor he is asking. Therefore option C is the answer. See, let's see the solution, that is 0.25, the across the conductor, he is across the conductor, that is 4 ohm, that is 0.25 into 4, that is 1 volt. Therefore option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer here. Next question is, in which combination the total current I is equal to the sum of separate currents through each branch of the combination? As it is in parallel combination. Option A is the right answer. Next question is, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Next question is, what is the effective resistance in parallel for R1 and R2? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Therefore option B is the right answer. Next question is, suppose the resistors R1, R2, R3 have the values of 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 30 ohm respectively, which have been connected to a battery of 12 volt in parallel. Calculate the total circuit resistance. We know when it is in parallel, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. When we take the LCM, it is 30. Just after the simplification, we are getting 1 by RP is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore RP is equal to 3 ohm. Let's see the option. Yes, it is option C is the right answer. Next question is, same question, calculate the current through R1 he is asking. Just we know that 12 ohm 12 volt battery is there. For across 5 ohm resistor we have to calculate the current. Just use the Ohm's law and substitute the values. 12 is equal to I into 5. Therefore I is equal to 12 by 5 means 5 2 is the 5 4 is the. Therefore 2.4 ampere is the correct answer. For 2.4 ampere is the correct answer. See, these are the ampere values, not ohms. 2.4 is the correct answer. Option B is the right answer. Suppose the resistors R1, R2, R3 have the values. Same question, again he is asking the total current in the circuit. Again he is asking the total current in the circuit. Total current in the circuit. See, he is asking the total current in the circuit. As we know, I1 plus I2 plus I3, 12 divided by 5 plus 12 divided by 10 plus 12 divided by 30. This, when you simplify this, you are getting 4 ampere current. 4 ampere current. Therefore option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. The power input formula is P is equal to VI. Yes, it is P is equal to VI. Power is equal to voltage into current. Option A is the right answer. The amount of heat H produced in time T is H is equal to VIT. H is equal to VIT, voltage into current into time. Option D is the right answer. An electric iron consumes energy at a rate of 880 watt and voltage is 220 volt. What is the value of current? We know P is equal to VI. It is 880 divided by 220. 22 ones are 22 fours. Therefore it is 4 ampere current. 1 kilowatt hour means 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Therefore option A is the right answer. That's all about the multiple choice questions. A stream of electrons moving through a conductor constitutes an electric current. Conventionally, the direction of current is taken in opposite to the direction of the flow of electrons. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. To set the electrons in motion in electric circuit, we use cell or battery. A cell generates a potential difference across its terminals. It is measured in volts. Resistance is a property that resists the flow of electrons in a conductor. It controls the magnitude of the current. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. Ohm's law is nothing but the potential difference across the ends of a resistor is directly proportional to the current through it, provided its temperature remains constant. The resistance of a conductor depends directly on its length, inversely proportional to its area of cross section, and also on the material of the nature of the material of the conductor. The equivalent resistance of several resistances in series is equal to the sum of their individual resistances, but in parallel it is the sum of their reciprocals. So that's all about the multiple choice questions of this chapter. So if you like this video and if you found this video informative, please do subscribe and share the video. So thank you one and all.